Yeah.
Precious.
Yeah. This is the friend I was with the sleepover last night. And we're eating icing. Vanilla, rich and creamy. We're also eating cheese. Oh, look at the cheese. So cheddary. Yeah. This is yummy.
Okay.
This is truly yummy.
I'm going to show you my schedule of my whole day.
But this is my house.
Well, it doesn't matter if it's your house. So this is
But first we get started.
This is
Erase that name.
okay. So we on September. No, it's
September 2nd.
This girl I know who's videotaping goes to dodgeball at 6:30.
No.
On September the 23rd,
Wait, this is 23rd. I thought this said 12. Wait, no.
Okay.
Yeah, December 23rd. Okay.
9. September the 12th, Orlando. Her brother goes to Orlando. How cool is that? 9/13 is my friend's birthday. What? And then the CMA is
Yeah,
Monday.
Taylor Swift just got her first CMA award, and I'm very proud of her.
Who?
Taylor Swift. Like, a rapper came on stage, and he grabbed
I'm
him.
watching it.
Yeah, he grabbed the microphone from her hand and was explaining how Beyonce's music video was way better. And then when Beyonce came up, Beyonce was like, how about we get Taylor Swift back out to finish her speech? And yeah, it's just rude. Just, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sorry, I'm just really hyper right now. Okay, here's my kitty that you all know and
That's
love.
cool before I step away. Fine, you don't get a scoop.
I already got my scoop.
Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye. Wait, let's eat some cheese first. Yummy. Okay, bye. Yum.